IYABO OJO, how OGOGO helped me start my acting career without conditions. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. IYABO OJO has shared how she entered the Nollywood industry at a young age without having personal connections or favors. Speaking on the Glass House show with comedian IYABO, the actress detailed her journey into acting. She explained that she had always been an outspoken child, actively participating in social activities during her secondary school days. IYABO was known for her talent in singing, acting, rapping, debating, and more, which earned her the role of social prefect. After completing secondary school, a friend mentioned Bimbo Akintola's residence in Opebi. Inspired by Akintola's powerful performance in the movie Out of Bounds, IYABO decided she wanted to pursue acting. She said, "I always wanted to be in entertainment, so I was involved in all social activities in secondary school. I was famous back then, not as OJO, but as Ogunro. I didn't know exactly what I wanted, whether to sing, rap, or act. But after watching Bimbo Akintola in Out of Bounds, I knew acting was my path. I made up my mind that day." Determined, she went to Bimbo Akintola's house, knocked on the gate, and expressed her desire to act. Surprisingly, Akintola auditioned her on the spot by asking her to cry, which IYABO couldn't do but confidently assured she could act. Impressed, Akintola introduced her to veteran actor Kepi Basi, helping IYABO land her first role and kickstart her acting career. Share your thoughts in the comments section before you go.